Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage Safari tab groups and profiles on iPad Air 13. So once you open Safari web browser, you'll be able to group all of your tabs based on, for example, what you are looking for in each of them. To add any of your tabs into a separate group, you simply have to tap this three lines icon next to the web address, and then scroll a bit down. In tab actions, select move to tab group and then select either a new tab group to create a new tab group with this tab, or select one of the existing groups. All of the tab groups will be shown on the sidebar of your iPad, where you can also create a new empty tab group. You can rename them. And you can basically group all of your currently open tabs, add a name to it. And if you want to add a new profile, you're gonna have to go to Safari settings by tapping on Safari on your toolbar or menu bar and select Safari settings. Then scroll down to the bottom until you find profiles, where you can select new profile. Here you can create your profile, you can name your profile. You can give it a color. You can select favorite groups and where you want to open new tabs. And now we have a separate profile, which we can switch also on the sidebar. Switch to. And each of the profiles has its own group of the groups on the sidebar. So as you can see, we have no personal groups shown on the sidebar of the work profile. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.